Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'm talking to you about PCA's Clearskin Moisturiser. Now this is one of PCA's best sellers, a nourishing lightweight moisturiser with a high level of active ingredients to hydrate, calm and soothe the skin, improving the appearance of uneven skin tone due to breakouts and oily prone skin. So Clearskin Moisturiser contains 4% niacinamide, which is a potent calming antioxidant that reduces water loss, reduces excess oil production and improves uneven skin tone due to breakouts. It also has a powerhouse of antioxidants such as marigold flower oil, lemongrass extract and cucumber fruit extract. This provides purifying and calming benefits to the skin. Vitamin A is also incorporated to help cell turnover, strengthen the skin and fight discoloration due to breakouts. Now this is great for anyone with problem skins, oily and breakout and sensitive skins. You would smooth a pea-sized amount onto your skin after cleansing, toning and treatment serums. It is quick absorbing and has a non-oily feeling. So during the day, Clearskin works well with the Weightless Hydration Protect SPF, and weekly I would recommend using the detoxifying mask. It contains Japanese charcoal which balances oil and impurities and keeps the skin clear while helping to minimize the appearance of pores. Now just a little tip, the Clearskin Moisturiser works great underneath your makeup. So if you would like to purchase the PCA Clearskin Moisturiser, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Or also we are offering face-to-face consultations which can be arranged online. Until next time, have a great day.